I was on my motorbike, having the time of my life, out in the hills. It was such a thrill to ride hard in twisting corners, went out of nowhere on a left-hand bend. A car came around, I cannot comprehend how he was on my side of the road. It was an instant, but it seemed like eternity. How I summed it up and went full evasion. I remember the thud, the hit, the collision, and there was nothing. I woke up to a sound, an angelic voice. I was coming round. Mate, stay with me. Mate, stay with me. I felt myself moving, but I was still woozy. I passed out again, and when I came back, there was a lady asking where it hurt. Am I alert? Do I understand what's going on? I knew what was going on. I was not gonna fight, just live and survive. They have my life. I saw lights as I was wheeled around, voices talking about me like I was not found, as if I was not there. Then I awoke, a light was in my eyes, and a voice asked, do you know where you are? I could only reply with